Hello, this is Tim Lloyd from Gain Access, gmat.cz. We're in Prague, Czech Republic, heart of Europe. This is the second method for solving the penultimate question on the math section of the quantitative of the online assessment test. What we're going to do first is slowly translate this into math. Okay, in the first method we just rushed through some approximation because guess what, sometimes you're only going to have seconds to answer a question. Translating math into English takes many English into math takes many forms, and what we're doing here is we're just saying, well, first of all, what does percent actually mean? Percent comes from I think it's French, and it's basically mean divide by 100. So as soon as you see the word what, you write down a variable. Most of us write x. As soon as you see percent, you then divide that variable by 100. Of in translation usually means multiply, okay, unless there's some other twist in the tail. 55 is a number, so that is the number. Is equals, straightforward. So it's x divided by 100 times 55 equals, and the other side of the equation is 34. So we'll run through that again. What, that means a variable. Percent, divide by 100. Of, multiply. You've got your 55, is equals, and 34. Pause the video, try it a few times for yourself. If it's clear to you, let's move on. Now we want to isolate x. This is our goal, okay? So let's just first of all multiply the 34 by 100 and then divide by 55. Through simplification, we can divide top and bottom by 5. The numerator and denominator both divisible by 5. So 34 divided by 5 is 6, remainder 4. 40 divided by 5 is 8, sorry. Then the zeros are 0. 55 divided by 5 is clearly 11. Now 11 is a prime number, so there's no way we're going to be able to divide 680 by 11 unless 680 is a clear multiple of 11. Now there's a few ways to do this, but let's be honest, a little bit of logic can help. The nearest, in my opinion, multiple of 11 is 660. How did I get that? Well, I multiplied 11 by 6 and then multiplied the result by 10. So now really we're looking at 680 and thinking, if we add 20 to 60 we get 680, so the next multiple of 11 will be between 660 and 680. So we add 11 to the 660 and we get the closest multiple of 11 to 680. That'll be 671. Now of course you could have just Yes, Tim, we do love mental math. Through our course, we'll be showing you how to break numbers down, tips and tricks. But of course, you could have just used long division, but I think mental math can be more fun. And sometimes during the test, you just need to cheer yourself up and have some fun with mental math. We'll come back to that in future videos, as I have said. So we now have 671 plus a remainder of something over 11, okay? Well, it's not going to be 11, that's for sure, so let's just change that. Thank you. 11 should be the denominator, so it's 61 because 11 times 61 is 671, plus 9 gives us our 680. So the result is approximately 61.8. The closest answer we have to the exact answer. So we look at our answer choices, and that will give us answer choice D. As you can see, a much longer method, but I think it's vital to have this translation skill from English to math for GMAT. Thank you very much. That was the second method for question 14 in the quantitative part of our online assessment test for potential GMAT students. The final video in this section will be question 15. Looking forward to seeing you then. Goodbye.